Nam Chumbi Kaunti ma Kilifi riwruok moro mar rito ngima leo chako chenro mar rito rao mantiere gwenge mag Sabaki Kaunti ma Kilifi ma en bang' kedo makinde ka kinde mar lego kod jopiny kendo mosemiyo kwan rao dok chien kata piny ka grubno osebedo ka puonjo oganda ber mar rito lego. Puonjgo bende osekonyo kama duong' e temo kelo kwe kendo duoko piny nek mar lego ma jopiny timo kendo chamo ringgi.
Ona revenge. Sasa wanamtei maji.
Unajua unakuwa na hasira mbaya sana.
Tuna avoid yani watu wale poachers wale wanakuja kuvitega. Wanawekea misumari kwa mbao kisha wakikanyanga yule msumari sasa hawezi toka. Wanauawa. Wanakuja wanawachinja kisha wanakuja wanauzia watu nyama. Hapo mnashindwa nyama imetoka wapi? Nyinyi mnakula tu. So ile madhara ina hao viboko ni ile hawapendi kukutana na mtu usiku mkikutana na yeye atakukatanisha mara mbili.
We are the people the KWS have entrusted to keep guard, to keep watch of what is happening here because we have some poachers from the local community. So by our being here every day, we are able to keep count, we are able to give stories of everything that is happening. Like this morning, we were told of one particular hippo that is hurting, that has got a problem. It probably stepped on a trap, a nail trap, and they're probably waiting for it to drop down and it becomes mboga for them.
The hippo population before was about 200. Unfortunately, and very unfortunately, now they're about 46. So you can imagine that we have killed more than 3/4 of the species of hippos that were here. And just last week, one was lost because there was a retaliation from the community that the animal had entered the field and they killed the animal. So the numbers are getting less and less. If we don't do something soon, we'll not have anything left here.